Subscribe my channel Pam Station and click the bell icon to get notification for more videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station. Today's video I'm going to share with you my Maybelline bag. So on the whole I got 5 blings, that is always you get 4 blings in this, and one is the the bonus product which I got. If you order the product, like pre-book it, like for the month of May I ordered in the month of April. So end of the April you get an email that you need to order so and so, the book it for the next month, and you get 1 bling extra. So they give it to you as a gesture. So that's a good thing. So you get 5 blings, and the price of this is 1499 rupees only. So you get 5 blings, that's on the whole for total of 3000 rupees, and they are superb, amazing, and the material, the product, the texture of the product, it's so beautiful, and it will never turn black, because I'm using these the products from these jewelries from Bling bag for more than a year, and I really I bet you on this it will never turn black if you keep these products in properly plastic packed or in a box. Air should not go on this, it should not touch these jewelries, it will not turn black. So let's get started with my Bling bag unboxing. So the first thing what I got is, this is the bag, and I got this beautiful lavender shade. I really love this color. The zip is also super strong. I'll show you the zip. It is like this. See, can you see? It's so beautiful. So that is a zip. There is no pockets inside, and I got this in yellow sequins inside this, and I think this is transparent. You can see my hand. So it's very beautiful. I love this cut work on this, and it's not a sling bag, so it's just a pouch. You can keep your cosmetics or any brushes or makeup or money, anything. You can use it anywhere. So you get this kind of, every month they have a separate pouch. They put jewelry inside this, and they send it to you in neatly mesh pack. They packed it in this plastic and then this mesh bag. So I got 5 mesh bags like this and 5 jewelry. So I'll share with you one by one. So the first thing what I got is this beautiful stud. The price of this, if you want to buy separately any of these jewelries, I will definitely share the link in my description box. 5 links. If any of the jewelry you like it, you can definitely click on these links and you can buy it from the website. So the first thing is this beautiful blue stud. The price of this separately is 499 rupees. I'll be sharing my pic which I wore it, and share it over here, the try on one. The first thing is this. I love this beautiful blue, and there were more shades. I think there was in red and silver, gold. You can definitely check that out, and if you like it, you can buy it from their website. So first thing is blue one. The second one is, they have this maze sand beachy kind of theme. So I got this in shells, and this is so beautiful. I love this. It's 3 layer. This is like seashells kind of, but this is in gold. I don't know if there is in silver as well. You can just check that out. The price of this, if you want to buy separately, is 699 rupees only. And I got this in mesh bag, plastic, and then this kind of mesh bag, so you can store it in same bags, so it never turn black. The third one is this earring. There was this option. I always choose earrings and necklace. There is option of earring, necklace, rings and bracelet. So bracelets, my wrist is very small, it's thin, so normally I don't go for bracelet. I don't like bracelet. And rings, I don't know whether the rings may fit or no. I don't want to waste my money, so I always go ahead and choose for earring and necklace. So I chose for earrings. So I got 3 earrings and 1 necklace, and one more I got a bonus product which they gave it to me for pre-booking the order for May. I shared the 2 earrings. The third earring is this beautiful. I love this. The stone over here is in beige or cream. I am wearing it over. You can check that out. You can wear it in any kind of formal and even on casuals. This is shown here. It's so beautiful. I love this. And I love this kind of hook earring which doesn't have a screw thing behind. So other two I got the screw thing, but I got this direct hook, so if you're in hurry you can just take it and just hang it in your ears. I love this kind of earrings and I will definitely recommend. This is also beautiful and the material is also very nice. This is the third one. The fourth one I got is, this is a stone necklace. It's a beautiful stone necklace. I'm showing the ulta. Okay, this is a beautiful stone. It's in grey and you can see the shades like a rainbow shades. Beautiful one. I'm wearing it exactly. That's the way. And there are holes. You can make it long or you want to make it short. It depends. How you would like to make it. Wear it on your neck. It's that way, and it's kind of hook here. You can just open it like this and put it back in the hole. So that's the price of this is 1199 rupees. So this necklace is 1199. And the last but not the least, I got the bonus product, and that's a beautiful necklace. I loved it. Only is that it's little difficult to, because it became it's in this way kind, it's all jumbled up. So it's better if this kind of happens, you just open the hook and it opens. So that's the thing what I'm wearing. By the time I'm just trying to open this, you can check that out on the try on how did I wear it. So okay, there you go. So this is a beautiful, it's like this double layer, and down it's like the fish tail, and here is a shell. So this will go very well with this earring, the set. It will really go well if I wear this together. If you're going to Goa or any country which is in beachy place, it will really go well if you're wearing a sleeveless. I'm wearing this on this white top just to show the design of each the necklaces, so that it can be visible to you all. If I'll wear something printed, you will not understand the design. So I wore a plain white top so that you are able to understand. And this is also from the last month Bling bag. So you can see it's really going well on this top. So that's all for my haul. That's all for my unboxing of Bling bag me. I hope you like these products, and if you like any of these products, I'll share the link in my description box. You can definitely go and purchase them from there. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share this video to all your friends and family. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.